Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Video Styles channel. Today guys, I'm going to decorate my dining room and I'm going to share with you how I clean my chairs. I bought them last year. Honestly guys, it's the very first time that I'm cleaning them. It's because I'm using a fabric protector, so I spray them about twice a year just to keep water off and stain everything away from them. And guys, if you are someone that love to decorate your home and you're on a budget, this chair can be a good option for you guys. I bought them and they were so inexpensive, and a year from now they're still holding on very tight. And guys, I don't know how long they're going to last me. It's because me personally, I don't keep my furniture. I change them often, but someone that use them on a daily basis for a longer one, I cannot answer that. But guys, for the price that I pay and for a year later, it's worth it. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Some people don't like warners, but me, I really love warners on my table. I don't know why, but this is what I prefer. So if you are somebody that not like that, so you can skip this part, but me, I love it. That's why I put it there. And guys, I got this warner, I think at Burlington, and the placemat at Burlington as well. And I got the chargers from Amazon, I believe. And the plates, I get them a while back. And guys, I don't really remember when I bought, where I got the plate from. But it is, I have so many things, so it's been a while that I buy them guys. And we use my stuff. And for this season, I didn't plan on buying nothing, absolutely nothing. So everything that I use in this video, that things I already have at home. And I always say in my video, if you're a home decor lover, before you go buy, you can choose to buy something new, but before you go spend more money, shop your home. Because home good doesn't have nothing to do with me. I have so many things. Okay guys, as you can see the process, so you already used to me if you're not new. So I love to decorate my home, and whenever you come home, it's like paradise. It's a little paradise, and I bring 5-star to my family. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. This is the finished look. Let me know guys, what do you think, if you like it. If you do, like always, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Even if you don't like it, I still want to hear from you guys. Leave me a comment down below.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know you're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know you're gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I read.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's the end of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.